How to invite friends on Fortnite. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to enjoy gaming with your friends in Fortnite but aren't sure how to invite them, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Fortnite game on your device, and once you're inside this lobby screen, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Once you're inside this page, click on this plus icon at the top and then click on Invite a Friend. You'll then be able to see an invitation link generated. Click on the copy button right next to the invitation link. And now, once you have the invitation copied in your device's clipboard, you can open up any application, or you can also use the SMS app on your device, even your email, select a friend, and paste in the link that you just copied. Once they receive an invitation, they can join into your lobby. When they join to your party, you can choose a game mode and start playing together. So that's it. That's how you invite friends in Fortnite. If the video was a bit helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.